Well, tonight the CCSD Board of Trustees gave an update on distance learning. Now, the district outlined their plan to end the school year. Well, the first step started today with meetings with school principals, and then through the end of the school year, teachers will be able to get their belongings. Students can get their items out of desks and lockers, turn in their textbooks, and also get their yearbooks. Report cards will be mailed out to every family. CCSD also plans to feed students through June 30th at all food distribution sites across the district. The district is also right now feeding about 30,000 students a day.